My video guide is about removing the browser notifications that come from the site ngswonder.com. ngswonder.com. This is a deceptive website that now keeps attacking many browsers, including Google Chrome and other browsers too. These pop-ups try to make customers click on the special Allow button which is integrated into it. However, clicking on Allow is obviously a serious mistake. In this case, you may be forwarded to some other deceptive sites. Also, you may start receiving the great portion of other ads that will be displayed as random push notifications in the right part of your computer screen. So if you have mistakenly clicked on that Allow button, make sure you fix your browser immediately. Access the menu, go to Settings, choose Security and Privacy, then select Site Settings, scroll down to Permissions and choose Notifications. Now pay attention to the websites allowed to send notifications. If you find any malicious sites here, including this ngswonder.com, you need to make sure you remove it from the list and delete other junk sites of the similar nature. So this should help fix the issue very well, but I would also recommend you to research the system with a Combo Cleaner antivirus, which you may get on this official site combocleaner.com. Download the program through this green button, install the software, and start researching the system with its help to detect and delete all other threats effectively from your computer. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called Anti-Ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.